Phew, what an amazing week for mortgage rates. Thanks to consistently positive inflation data, rates have now dipped below 7% for the first time since July. And did you know that rates have now dropped 1.4% in less than 60 days from a high of 8.03% to the current rate of 6.64 as reported by Mortgage News Daily, an invaluable online resource for you and your buyers to keep track of rates. And remember, a drop in mortgage rates of 1% can bring in anywhere from 3.5 to 5 million potential home buyers back into the marketplace. Certainly not all will buy, and that's a national figure, but there would definitely be more buyers in the market competing for the low inventory that will likely lead to the higher home prices. Now, it's important for you to get your current buyers who are waiting for rates to drop because they just dropped to get out there now before other potential buyers grasp the reduction in rates. So what drove the interest rates down this week? The catalyst behind this week's decline in interest rates were the consumer price index, the CPI, and the producer price index, PPI, both key indicators of inflation, and it showed that there was a continual drop in inflation. Adding to this, the Federal Reserve concluded its final meeting of the year, opting to maintain the Fed funds rate, keeping that the same until next year, and they'll look at it again. Fed Chair Jerome Powell, in a post-meeting statement, also hinted at potential rate cuts in the upcoming year, expressing satisfaction with the impact of current monetary policy on slowing down the economy and reducing inflation. Now, for context, a lot of people get the Fed funds rate confused with mortgage rates. The Fed funds rate is established by the government to guide the economy. It is the overnight rate that they charge to banks. Mortgage rates are market-based. So being market-based, they can move in anticipation of what the Fed's future actions are going. And I believe that mortgage rates will continue to drop. So in summary, the past 2 weeks have been exceptionally positive as we close out 2023, potentially setting the stage for a more dynamic real estate market in 2024. We all hope for that. So we hope you have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you next Friday. Until then, Gaylord out. Bye-bye.